So we actually have some long road trips coming up, and I saw this and thought I would snag it because it looks awesome. So this is actually a great size. I love that it's small enough. It could fit in a glove box or a console pretty easily, or a bag if you're just packing in a little bag. So this bundle has 4 different games. I'm going to show you. We have scavenger hunt, word charades, word game, and personal trivia. The personal trivia, we have an easy and a hard. So easy would be, what is my favorite ice cream flavor? And this is the person who's asking. They ask the whole car, and we can see how well everybody knows each other, which is fun. Scavenger hunt, we also have an easy and a hard. So if you pull a card, you look for everything on the card, whether it be the easy or the hard part. And that will be awesome for kids especially. That will take up time, and that will definitely help the ride go faster. We got word game, easy and hard, which is great because I feel like the easy you can adapt to younger kids. The hard you can make it easy, or you can make it fun for older kids. And so it kind of incorporates a lot of ages here, even adults really. Take turns naming foods that start with the letter B. Whoever can't think of one or repeats one is out. The last person left gets a point. So those are fun too. You just have little word games, talking about words. I grew up taking a lot of car rides, and we would do word games like this. My mom would just kind of make up games. So this is kind of fun, kind of nostalgic for me too. And word charades. This is going to be kind of tricky in the car. It's just like charades. So you have easy and hard, and some kids won't know what some things are, and I think it's totally fine to skip cards if needed. But it seems like a really great pack. We have different games. You could mix up the games. You could keep them separate. It's just kind of a fun little way to take some time out of the long hours of a car ride. So this has 140 cards. It says 2 to 8 players. Obviously, if you have any more than 2, that's just great. You can have a whole carload, really. Could have a whole bus load, really, ages 6 and up. But I do feel like my 4-year-old would be able to do some of this stuff, so he won't be left out, which is great. I love that it comes in this box. You can keep it in the box nice and tidy, and it feels like a decent quality game. I'm very excited to use this. So hope this helps seeing it up close, and hope you have a great car ride if you're going on a road trip soon.